Archaeology studies how we've lived together over millennia on this earth. The lands of the American Southwest hold rich evidence of thousands of years of human history. These homelands tell the stories of how generation after generation thrived. How did people hunt, forage, and farm? How did they build for shelter, defense, spiritual spaces, and sports? How did they create tools and utensils that combined function with beauty? For the past 40 years, Archaeology Southwest has worked to identify and protect the places that hold such stories, to help others respect, appreciate, and celebrate the places that help us better understand people's lives and connections to the land. But protecting the past requires us to actively engage with the biggest problems facing humanity today and into the future. Archaeology Southwest works to connect a broad network of communities addressing climate change, land and water management, farming practices and flood control, renewable and traditional energy resources. Archaeology Southwest works across cultures to promote respect and understanding with people who are the stewards of their indigenous heritage, to seek justice, including the repatriation of unethically collected ancestors and their belongings, to help law enforcement prevent or prosecute archaeological resource crimes such as looting and vandalism. Through our programs, our collaborations, and our coalitions, through our ever-deepening relationships with tribal and community partners, Archaeology Southwest helps restore and protect the places that connect us to our humanity and its history. Join us at the forefront of a new kind of archaeology, one that looks forward as well as back, one that ensures our stories on the land endure well into the future.